So before we continue, I think we should have done it in the beginning itself. We've lost two of our very key people from our electrical engineering department. So I would all of you. So I want all of you to please maintain 2 minutes silence and name. We lost Dr. N. Ramarao, who was our professor, head, and then principal, and we lost one of our very beloved colleague. Yeah, please. Okay, so good morning to all of you. My name is. My wife is a homemaker, and my son goes to school. Still very young. He goes to DPS Noida. He is in class 6. So this is about myself. Yansa, next.
Friends, I'm Akhil Kumar Jain. So after passing out, I served in Mumbai for 1.5 years. Ever since I've been in Delhi. So my workplace has been in NCR, Gurgaon and Delhi. So I also have one wife and 2 kids. So my elder child is my daughter, who is just entered a 3rd year of engineering from Delhi, and my son is in standard 9th. So I started my career with a company called Computer Vision in Mumbai, and I served for 1.5 years, then joined the Tata Group. Worked there for nearly 15 years. Post Tata Group, I joined Accenture for 3 years, and in this January I moved to E&Y. And that's it.
I'm waiting for the extra minute to start. Okay. Rajan Sand, roll number 86219. In the year 1990, when I passed out, I was very happy. Then somehow God saw me. He's too happy. Then he got me married. Then he realized after some time, ज़्यादा हो गया. Then I was blessed with the first daughter and then a son. And I became happy again. It has taken us, all of us, 25 years, a quarter of a century, to earn this yellow color attire that we are wearing and this badge that we are putting. It's really hard-earned thing. Right after passing, I got selected in Bharat Petroleum in campus, and ever since I've been too lazy to shift out of it. So I was posted in Chennai, then Cochin, then Rajasthan, Delhi, UP, and now I'm in Punjab. There's a place called Bhatinda. It's near Pakistan border. So that's about me. And really, the moment yesterday evening when I entered this campus, I shared with some of my colleagues. I really had goosebumps. All my hair on the neck and arms, they were just standing on end. And it was a feeling that I can never describe, and it can never be repeated. Thank you all.
Good morning, everybody. Basically, I came from rural area to this college. I'm very lucky to meet such type of friends.
Name.
My name is Krishna Reddy, M. Krishna Reddy. No, I forgot. Sorry. No, forgotten. I gave them number. Both numbers. So I have joined in MTech at Usman University. Meanwhile, I have joined APC State Institute Board. Then I got 2 promotions as AE and AD. Now I work in division as division at Tirupati. I'm in regular touch with Ganesh, Amit, and Vijay, most of my friends, Raman Prasad. Then I have blessed with 2 children. My elder daughter, she has completed BTech at Tirupati, and now she left to California for doing MS at San Jose State University. And my son is doing second MBA at Hyderabad. I'm very lucky to have this type of people. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Gautam Reddy. 112, 86212. And sorry, I'm forgetting my first year number. And after completing my BTech here, I continued the MTech, joined the MTech here itself, Power Systems, and continued till 91. And before completion of pure 3 semesters, I joined in APSCB, erstwhile APSCB as an electric assistant engineer. And subsequently, I have been posted in Warangal, and almost the last 20 to 23 years I am making jobs around the Warangal only. Since beginning, I am planning to go outside to either in study time or at the job time. But fortunately, unfortunately, I am working around the Warangal only. And I am blessed with the 2 children. My son is just now completed BTech, and my daughter is just now entered into the BTech. Thank you very much.
That was 40 seconds.
Hello everybody, it's really very nostalgic to be here. And even when we got on at Kazipet station yesterday with Vijaya, Vinita, Rani, and I mean it was a wonderful experience. The campus, I'm Preeti Bhatnagar, roll number 86218 from Electrical, 1990 batch. Preeti Asthana, I was Preeti Asthana. After marriage, my surname is Preeti Bhatnagar. And I'm working in Bhilai Steel Plant, Steel Authority of India Limited. For 2 years I taught at an engineering college in Bhilai. I took my seat from Bhilai. I'm working in Bhilai. I'm in Bhilai Steel Plant. So anybody who visits Bhilai, you're most welcome. I'm married to a doctor, ophthalmologist, Dr. Ruchir Bhatnagar. My son is in 9th and daughter is in 6th. Okay? All the best. Enjoy yourself. Bye.
It's nice to see all of you. I'm Vijaya. M Vijaya earlier, now it's P Vijaya Paradvani after marriage. I've done my MTech from Osmania, then I took a break. I have 2 sons. Then I moved into IT industry, worked for Infotech, Wipro, IBM. Right now I'm with IBM, based in Hyderabad. I have 2 sons studying engineering. My husband works for BHEL Hyderabad, so we are in Hyderabad.
Hi everybody, I am Ganesh, roll number 86210. 4x4 plus so many 25 plus BTech. So I'm after passing out from this college, I was scientist in Power Atomic Research Center for 2 years. That is the period I had to spend before I took engineering services exams and I got into the railways. My region was in Eastern Railway. I had the opportunity to commission, maintain, and those 3-phase locomotive which Amit Srivastava was telling, they all wanted to get into that locomotive. So I'm part of my Indian Railways, that is a big organization, and I'm at your service. All the batchmates who travel with me, they could have enjoyed the service of Indian Railways. And I got to right from phone track by गिर गया उसको उठाने से लेकर so everything was service with a smile. My wife is a gynecologist. She is in the gynecology, and she was also in railway. And since we were not getting posting together, she started her own hospital at Kanpur. We have a private limited company, and she is having a 118-bed multi-specialty hospital at Kanpur. I have got 2 children. My daughter is elder one, and she is in class 11, and my son is in class 8. Thank you.
Everybody, I am B.V. Ramana Prasad.
Morning good everybody.
अब तो कहना ही क्या है, सब लोग तो जानते ही हैं, जो उल्टा बोलता था रमना प्रसाद अभी भी वैसे ही उल्टा है. I am working as lecturer. Presently I am HOD in electrical engineering, Government Polytechnic Vikarabad. I have worked at Manparthi, Mayapur district, then Nizamabad, then Jahirabad, then Hyderabad, and at present I am working at Vikarabad. Yes, all baths. My wife is a homemaker and I am blessed with 2 children. My daughter Sanskriti passed intermediate just now, and my son is in 10th class. That's all of now. Thank you.
I am based at Hyderabad. Since passing out from college, I have been stationed there only. I run my own pharmaceutical company. We are into manufacture of bulk drugs and drug intermediates. We are the basic raw material suppliers to many pharmaceutical companies. I have 2 other partners in this business. And I am married to Asha, and I have got 2 daughters. The elder one just joined engineering this year at Manipal, and the younger one is in class 10 at Hyderabad. Thank you.
So, see, when we come back, I think if you think what you are feeling. I'm not sure anybody is even feeling 40 plus or even 45 plus. See, that is the beauty of this place. When you come back, we are again, 21, 20, 19. 90s, absolutely. In our late teens, if you can say. So I am Rakesh Sharma. Of course, no point in saying 1990 and all. It's obvious all of us are from that batch. So after passing out from this college, we never realized that we are passing out from such an esteemed, high-level institute. I think the biggest thing we carried from this institute was that this is the first REC. The foundation stone was laid on 10th October 1959 by Jawaharlal Nehru. We just went and ensured that foundation stone is there. Because so many things have changed. So that was the only big tag we carried. But today when we read about REC Warangal, and we see Microsoft, 50 lakhs offer. And when our children who are working or trying to get admissions, they say, oh Papa, NIT Warangal, Uncle, NIT Warangal, wow. So I think the feeling is a little different. So it's a wonderful journey after 1990, along with Rajan, and I think 10-11 batchmates, we joined Bharat Petroleum. So now while being North Indians, these are little delicate subject, but we are friends, so we can say. So we came from North to Warangal. I think it was not by choice. I got only this branch, or this college. And I came into metallurgy, then after first year changed to mechanical. So when he got a placement in BPCL, I think most of us prayed, Bhaiya, kidhar bhi bhejna, Madras mat bhejna. With due respect to all the Tamilians sitting here, okay, don't send us to Madras. Or Jetli Sabit. But when our appointment letter came, alas. 3rd September 1990, report to Madras. So we joined there, but I think I really fell in love with south of India, especially Tamil Nadu. I worked there for 7-8 years. Came to Chennai, in 96, then to Bombay 98. In 2001, I don't know, a brave or a foolish decision, left public sector and moved to a private company. It was a startup then. I worked for a company called Pine Labs. We do some solutions for oil companies and for banks. I have been working there since, and so look forward to interaction with all of you. And incidentally, my 7-8 years in Tamil Nadu, did ensure that I pick up Tamil. So I was very happy when on WhatsApp, I could drop few sentences of Tamil and people saying, wow, Rakesh Sharma, Haryana, konja pesranga, rumba santosham. So that is, a huge asset, and we should, adapt to as many cultures as we can. So we are lucky that we came from North, enjoyed Andhra, now Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. I worked briefly in Kerala also, so had a good time. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody.
So I have 2 daughters. My elder daughter carries on the legacy. She is in REC Surat in her final year. And my younger one is just got into 11th, also in the non-medical or engineering stream. So I hope she'll also join. I'll be very happy if she can come to RECW. I cannot still pronounce NIT. NIT doesn't come naturally. It is just REC which comes. Thank you. Thanks, Vinita, for reminding.
राकेश टोकना छोड़ा नहीं है मेरे को. Okay, good morning everybody. I am Devashish Das, not to be confused with electrical Devashish Das, mechanical Devashish. Along with Rakesh and many of my friends, Govil, some are there here. We joined on 3rd of September BPCL after completing engineering here. Got selected through campus. It was a dream job then. I now continue to be in BPCL and have been in South all along. Worked in Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, and now in Vizag for long 7 years. Much like Rakesh, I spent a lot of years in Tamil Nadu and picked up a bit of Tamil. Koncham Tamil Nagura passion. And of late, thanks to Facebook initially and now WhatsApp, got connected with many friends worldwide. And somebody said so rightly, people who didn't get job in the, probably if that is the principle to be adopted, people who didn't get job, they are all in US and some other countries. Probably, one of my colleagues left BPCL after 11 years. He used to say that his brother suggested him, who was in sale, that you need to generate a lot of escape velocity to get out of a company like BPCL. So I could not probably generate that, and I continue to be here. And fortunately, Barnali, you can come here. Fortunately, my wife is there with me. Actually, she probably would have been a very successful academician, but for me, she has sacrificed a lot. She is a university rank holder. She holds masters in geology, but chosen to become a homemaker, and she has done an excellent job. I take this opportunity, I called her here to say thank you so much for standing with us. And she has shared with me two wonderful children. My elder daughter, she is pursuing her second year mechanical engineering in Shivnagar University, Greater Noida. And my son is in 12th. He also intends to pursue engineering. That's it about me. I used to have some hobbies like quizzing as a member of quiz club here, and music, quiz, yes, singing, yeah. Not much of touch though, but she keeps me engaged. Okay, not now, probably in the evening. And